Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking on viewer intent and 3-5 target phrases that match it. Say primary keyword, +1 2 supporting long-tail searches. This focuses discovery. Once you have phrases, draft a one-paragraph hook that uses the primary term within the first 20 seconds so YouTube understands relevance. Then create a short list of competitor timestamps and tags to avoid repeating weak segments. Make sure to note watch time opportunities you can improve. That becomes your early optimization checklist. You now move to metadata and creative assets, the engine that drives clicks. Start with a 60-80 character title, placing the primary keyword early for algorithm weight. Once done, craft a 150-250 word description that naturally includes the main keyword 2-3 times, adds timestamps, and a single CTA. This aids search and session value. Next, build a 1280 x 720 thumbnail with high contrast and readable text. Make sure the image communicates you publish with intention. Schedule for your peak, then trigger first-hour engagement by pinning a comment, adding to playlists, and nudging subscribers. After release, monitor impressions click-through rate, average view duration, and audience retention hourly for the first 48 hours to see early signals. If metrics fall short, change the thumbnail or title once and update the description to include missed search phrases, then re-promote the video. Troubleshooting tip: if retention drops at a consistent point, re-edit a shorter intro and reupload as a new improved cut.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.